Hey guys, welcome back to the Kinley and Talon Show. Today we're going to be doing a bike jump ramp video. So I'm going to be hitting some ramps and it's an outside video. So right into that. Okay. Blink. Alright, so I'm going to hit him normal and then I'm going to hit him going down the ramp. And then I'm just going to hit him with tricks. Not tricks, just hit him. Right. Hitting him normal. Guys, this wore me out. Let me take a break real quick. Whew. Take me a little break. Whew. Okay, last one. That made me tired out. Let me do my last thing. Whew. Made me tired, guys. Alright. Now I'm going to do them dropping down this ramp. So let's do that. Okay. I got 2 more ramps. 2 more. Two more. Okay, last ones. Last one, Daddy. Last one. And then I'm going. Okay. Whew. Alright guys, last one. Whew. Okay. Let's go. Whew. Oh. Okay. I'll run it back up there. Okay. Right to the outro. Yes, it is the end of the video, but we'll still make more content. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll notify you when our next video is out. Bye, guys. Boom.